Hey guys, welcome to Programming Hub. In this video series, we are going to see the design patterns with example. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please click on the below red button and subscribe our channel to support us. So today we are going to see the design pattern. So Singleton design pattern. So this Singleton design pattern is the most popular design pattern in the industry. Single design pattern is one of the simplest design pattern in Java. This type of design patterns comes under creational pattern as this pattern provides one of the best way to create an object. This pattern involves a single class which is responsible to create an object while making sure that only single object gets created. This class provides a way to access its only object which can be accessed directly without need to instantiate the object of the class. Right, so let's see with example. Right, so here I have created one singleton class, and within this singleton class, here we have to create one private and static variable, right? Private, static, singleton class instance is equals to new singleton class, right? So here we have to create one private constructor for this singleton class, right? So now we have to here create one static method to create the object right here to return this object. Public static singleton class get instance, right? Return instance. Okay, so now here we'll create one public void show message. Singleton class object, right? So for this we have to I'm going to create one more class, singleton class example, right here. Okay, now within this class here, if you are trying to create a singleton class object here, singleton class object is equals to using new keyword, it will be not allowed to you to create an object for this. Try this, it will shows an error, right? Change the visibility of singleton class. So why this suggestion is comes because we are creating a singleton class constructor is as a private, right? So comment out this. Now here within this singleton class object will have one static method of get instance, right? So now we can have an object of the singleton class, and dot get. Here within this singleton class we have one method called show message, right? So here get show message. Show message. Save this and run this application. You'll see the singleton class object. So this is the example of singleton class object, right? So what we have to do for the singleton class here, we have to first having one private and static variable, right? And after that having one private constructor and one static method which returns the object of a singleton class, right here. So singleton class object will create inside only the singleton class. It will not allow to create an object outside of the singleton class, right? So this is the basic concept of the singleton class. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys.